There are over 150 participants from Oredo local government area undergo training on how to install solar panels and how to start a solar business by an engineer.
Sunlight like this now, just go outside, just get energy. How is it happening? It's happening via a panel called, where you have semiconductor panels, right? We have different forms of solar energy. We have two forms. We have thin films and we have crystalline. Thin films is like, you have a layer. And that tiny layer is what is going to give you energy. When the sunlight hits on it, they bounce up. And as they bounce up, they produce electricity.
The training also centered on how to generate power, how to determine inverter capacity, batteries capacities, and how to preserve the solar panels, sources of energy gotten from solar, amongst others. The initiator and member representing Oredo East, who is also contesting for Oredo Federal Constituency House of Representatives, Osaigbovo Iyoha, said the training program is geared towards helping people of his constituency to be self-reliant, especially in the aspect of renewable energy. Hence, it will serve as an alternative means of power generation.
Once you have the panels and then you know the devices you're going to carry, you just know the capacity of the batteries, and then you can put these things together. It's our only two way of trying to impart knowledge, and then you can be self-employed. From this program, you know, you can become a technician, knowing how to fix it. You can also become a contractor.
Some participants, while appreciating the initiator of the program, Osaigbovo Iyoha, said it has afforded them the opportunity to gain knowledge on renewable energy and how it works.
It's very commendable for Osaigbovo. It has always been to this program has just keyed into the government objective of ensuring that youths are empowered and independent.
Very proud of him. With this program he has just done, he's going to take boys out of the street, whereby making them know that tomorrow you could be a vendor on either the inverter, the solar panel, the batteries or whatever. Now he's even educating us to know that we could even be anywhere and do business.
He's the kind of man we need in the Honorable House of Representatives for Oredo Federal Constituency. So he's a wonderful man. He's good to go. And the youths of the Ward 2 of Oredo community are fully behind him.
I never knew that solar panel installation could be a very better alternative for power. But today I've learned a lot. I've known that with lesser amounts of money, you can install solar panel installation in your house.
The training program, which commenced on the 3rd, will end on the 7th of December 2018. Adesugwa Lato reporting.